Welcome to the channel and welcome to another Tesla video. In today's video, I am going to be replacing the power window switches in my 2019 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. So I'm actually a little bit disappointed that I have to do this, but my driver's side power window switch has broken. And I've owned quite a few cars in the past, some of them for over 10 years, and I've never had this happen. Not really something that's covered under warranty, so this is something I'm going to have to do on my own, so a little DIY for the channel. So I had to order from eBay, which came from China, the entire window switch module. So this looks to be exactly like what I'm looking for. And what's happened on mine is this piece here is actually broken off, and it's affected the passenger side as well. So this is what's going to get replaced today. This is the module that's broken, so you can see it doesn't even sit in there right, and if I just, whoop, see, yeah, it pops right off. It probably is broken under here, a little dirty. I live in a new area with a ton of dust, and that definitely shows. So what I have to do is take apart this door panel here and get this switch out and replace it with this switch here. All right, so now it's time to get the door panel apart. Okay, so there seems to be 2 screws I've found so far. I'm not sure if there's any more, but that's what I've found. So we're gonna try and start with those. So under the armrest, you remove this little clip. There's a screw under there. And then there is another screw, that was probably really loud, under there. And they are Torx. Okay, let's get to taking the panel off to get at this switch. And I did find a 3rd screw just behind this reflector. Okay. There's the inside of your door panel. So I probably didn't have to take the door panel off, but I have it upside down here now. And you can see that this piece underneath actually pops out. And that is how you can get at the window module. Okay, so if we look at this module here, you can see that the tabs are made to slide in from the bottom. So this is going to clip down like this. So now I have to find the tabs on this guy to release it. Okay, so this is the old module, and this is the new one. And as you can see, they look almost identical. So I did get this from eBay, and I actually think I feel like I got a factory part. Okay, time to put the new one in. All right, hope she works. All right. So all in all, it wasn't that hard to do. You could just do it with the door panel on. I probably wouldn't recommend it. I'd still take the door panel off. It only took a few minutes because I was able to flip the door panel around. So all in all, I'd say it's not that bad of a job. I'm still really disappointed that a 2-year-old car that the power window thing just breaks off. But anyway, fixed now, and I don't have to worry about losing the button and not being able to roll up my window anymore. So thanks so much for watching. If you learned something in this video, make sure you head down below and hit that subscribe button. And of course, if you like this video, hit the like button while you're down there too. And until next time, take it easy out there.